6 key terms that you need to know for your car insurance. After this video, we recommend that you call or search online for 3 insurance companies for an estimate of your insurance premium. Your parents or guardians will need to add you to their plan before you start driving. If you are over 18 years old with a valid driver's license, then you can purchase your own insurance plan. Before you call the insurance companies, you should learn about the different types of vehicle insurance coverages available. For this section, I would recommend taking notes. Number 1. So first, there's liability coverage. The insurance company will pay for any damages that the at-fault policyholders may have caused to another driver's vehicle or to their health. Second, there's collision and comprehensive coverage. These coverages provide protection for the policyholder's own vehicle. Third, there's uninsured and underinsured coverage. This coverage protects the policyholder if they are in an accident with a driver who does not have insurance or does not have enough insurance to cover the damages. Fourth, there's personal injury protection. This coverage provides financial protection for medical expenses, lost wages, and other expenses. Fifth, there's the deductible. A deductible is the amount the policyholder must pay out of pocket before the insurance coverage kicks in. A higher deductible can lower the premium, but a lower deductible can provide more financial protection in the event of a claim. 6. There's the premiums. A premium is the actual amount the policyholder pays for the insurance coverage. An at-fault accident will generally stay on your driving record for 3 years and can impact your premium for that entire period.